Once upon a time, in a world not so different from ours, lived a little robot named Sparky. Sparky loved to help people, but he didn't know how. He could move his arms and legs, and his eyes could light up, but he needed instructions. He was like a magical toy, waiting for the secret words to bring him to life. Think about all the amazing things you see every day. When you watch your favorite cartoon on a tablet, a secret language is telling the screen what pictures to show. These instructions are everywhere, a secret world hiding just behind our screens. This secret language is called code, and the people who write this language are like modern-day magicians or maybe super cool detectives. They write special instructions that tell computers, phones, and even robots like Sparky what to do. Let's imagine you are teaching your little brother or sister how to get ready for school. You wouldn't just say, "Get ready." That's too confusing. Instead, you would give them a list of very small, very clear instructions, one after another. You would say, first, put on your socks. Second, find your shoes. Third, put your left foot in the left shoe. Fourth, put your right foot in the right shoe. Fifth, tie the laces. Programming is exactly like that. Think of a computer as a very obedient but very literal puppy. If you tell it to fetch, it won't know what to fetch or where to go. But if you say, "Go to the red ball, pick it up with your mouth, and bring it back to my feet," the puppy can follow those instructions perfectly. Every magician needs a special place to practice their spells. We programmers have something called a command line. It's actually a very simple and clean place. Imagine it's a magical black and white board that is waiting for you to write on it with colorful chalk. See this little blinking line? It's called a cursor. The cursor is like a little friend saying, "I'm right here. I'm ready. What is the first instruction you want to give me?" In our friendly Python command line, you will see these three little symbols: greater than, greater than, greater than. These symbols are the computer's way of saying, "Hello there, programmer. I am ready for your Python spell." Whenever you see the prompt, you know it's your turn to type. So let's get our magical fingers ready and get ready to type our very first command. In the world of programming, there is a special tradition. The very first program almost everyone writes, no matter how old they are or where they are from, is a program that makes the computer say, "Hello world." It's like the first hello you say when you meet someone new. It's a friendly greeting to the entire world of computers, letting them know that a new programmer has arrived. Our magical spell has one special word, print. In Python, the word print doesn't mean sending something to a paper printer. It's a command that means show this on the screen or display this text. After our magic word, we need to use parentheses, which look like this. These parentheses are like little containers. They hold the exact message that we want the computer to say. So we want it to say, "Ahoy, Svet." In programming, when we want to write down words, we have to put them inside quotation marks. Let's put it all together. It looks like this. Print, "Ahoy, Svet." Find each key on your keyboard, the PRINT, then the opening parentheses, then the quotation mark, then our friendly greeting. Take your time. Once it looks perfect, we will press the Enter key. So you typed print, "Ahoy, Svet," and pressed the giant Enter key. What just happened inside that mysterious computer box? It was like a lightning-fast chain reaction. The moment you pressed Enter, your command flew through the wires. The computer's brain, called the CPU, immediately woke up and looked at your instruction. It saw the word print first and recognized it. Aha, it thought, this is a Python command I know. The programmer wants me to display something on the screen. And just like that, appearing on the line right below your command, you see the result of your magic spell. The computer has spoken back to you for the very first time, and it said exactly what you told it to say. Now that you have learned the secret Hello World spell, it's your turn to get creative. You are the magician now, and the print command is your magic wand. What else can you make the computer say? You can make the computer say your name, your favorite animal, or even tell a tiny joke. Every time you change the message inside the quotation marks, you are creating a brand new, unique program. Wow, what an incredible first lesson. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You have taken your very first step into the huge and exciting universe of programming. You are officially a programmer. This is only the beginning of our amazing adventure. Next time, We will learn how to write a sequence of commands, make the computer remember things, and explore colors and shapes. You have the first magical key. Soon, you will have a whole keyring full of them, ready to unlock any door you can imagine. Get ready for our next adventure!